Now it's about the connection between the ice machine and the air cooling condenser. This is the air cooling condenser. It's connected with the machine with copper pipes. And we have the ball valves here. We also have the needle valves for vacuum the pipes after welding. The air cooling condenser should be located on a higher level than the ice machine. So the liquid will never stay inside the condenser and to affect its efficiency. The air cooling condenser should be located outside of the facility with good ventilation because it releases a lot of heat when it's working. There are 8 air cooling fans and they generate a lot of heat when they are working. We can check that from this angle. This air cooling condenser should be located outside of the factory so the heat will be released easily into the ambient, and it should be located on a higher level than the ice machine. For that reason, the liquid refrigerant will never stay inside the coil of the condenser. Users need to hire professional people to do the welding job. The welding job are for copper pipe welding and steel pipe welding. After welding, you need to do the gas leaking test with the leaking area. With all the leaking area, then vacuum it from the needle valves. These are the needle valves to do the vacuum jobs. This is the wire connection for the air cooling fans in the condenser. There are 8 cooling fans, okay? This is the group 1. This is group 2. These 8 wires are for the 8 cooling fans.